In this video, we listed the 5 best doorbell camera on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. JOOAN 3MP Wi-Fi Doorbell. The JOOAN Video Doorbell is a smart home security device that operates on a 5V power supply and connects via 2.4G Wi-Fi, recommended for distances not exceeding 6 meters. Featuring a 3MP HD camera with a wide-angle lens, it provides clear day and night visuals, ensuring surveillance around the clock. The doorbell includes a PIR motion detector, which triggers push notifications to the user's app when motion is detected, and supports two-way audio communication. Users can choose from 32 ringtones with adjustable volume for the built-in siren alarm. The device offers free cloud storage for footage, although it does not accommodate SD card storage. Designed for outdoor use, it operates in various weather conditions, though it's recommended to use a waterproof cover for prolonged exposure. The device is also user-friendly, allowing for remote access and sound alarm features through the CAM720 app, enhancing security and convenience. Number 2. WSDK Angle Doorbell. The WSDK 4.3-inch 720p door peephole viewer is an innovative home security device that merges advanced technology with a straightforward design. Featuring a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, this doorbell camera allows users to view their doorstep clearly on a high-resolution 720p display, ensuring easy identification of visitors without the need to open the door. Constructed with a durable zinc alloy cathead, it offers both aesthetic appeal and robustness, fitting seamlessly into various home decors. The device is energy efficient, equipped with a built-in removable lithium battery that provides up to 2 months of standby time, complemented by a 15-second automatic standby feature. Installation is user-friendly, accommodating door thicknesses of 35 to 110 mm and hole sizes of 15 to 25 mm. While it lacks features like motion detection or recording capabilities, it serves as a reliable and privacy-conscious solution for monitoring entryways, making it an ideal choice for those seeking enhanced security without the complexity of smart home integration. Number 3. Reolink Video Doorbell. The product boasts impressive features designed to enhance home security and convenience. With a remarkable 5MP Super HD resolution, it delivers sharp and detailed images day and night, utilizing advanced HDR, 3D DNR, and distortion correction technologies to ensure clarity even in low-light conditions. The 180 degrees wide viewing angle, complemented by a 15 degrees wedge kit, allows for optimal positioning and a comprehensive view of the surroundings, facilitating quicker responses to visitors. Included with the doorbell is a Chime V2, which plugs into any electrical socket and offers customizable tunes and volume settings to alert homeowners when someone is at the door. Communication is made easy with a built-in microphone and speaker, enabling two-way conversations with visitors, even when homeowners are away, and allowing for preset voice messages or automatic replies. Available in both PO and Wi-Fi versions, the doorbell ensures a stable connection with its 5 GHz Wi-Fi capability, while its waterproof design provides durability against harsh weather conditions. Number 4. IMOU 3MP Video Doorbell. The IMOU Doorbell 2S kit is a high-tech, wire-free audio doorbell equipped with advanced features such as a 2K 3MP camera, PIR and AI human detection, and excellent night vision capabilities up to 5 meters. Powered by a 5000 mAh rechargeable battery, it boasts an impressive battery life of up to 120 days and can be fully charged in just 2.5 hours. The doorbell offers two-way talk functionality with variable voice settings, customizable quick replies, and loitering detection to enhance home security. Its wide field of view, 166 degrees diagonal, and smart tracking capabilities ensure comprehensive coverage of the area in front of the door. The device supports H.265 video compression for efficient storage and network usage, and it can connect via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The included chime acts as a Wi-Fi extender and provides notifications of doorbell activity. Designed for outdoor use, the Doorbell 2S is weatherproof and features customizable detection settings for tailored monitoring. The kit includes all necessary installation components and is compatible with the EMU app for iOS and Android devices, making it a versatile addition to any smart home setup. Number 5. LS Vision Video Doorbell. The LS Vision 2K dual-screen video doorbell is a high-tech security device designed to enhance home safety and convenience. It features a dual-lens camera that provides a wide 92 degrees viewing angle, allowing for comprehensive coverage of entryways. With a robust 9,000 mAh battery and support for both cloud storage and TF cards, up to 128 GB, this doorbell ensures reliable performance and ample video storage. The device supports a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and includes advanced features such as PIR motion detection, two-way audio communication, and intelligent infrared night vision, enabling users to monitor their front door in real time through a mobile app. The package comes complete with the video doorbell, a chime, and installation accessories for easy setup. Certified with CE, this doorbell is designed for smart home integration and offers a user-friendly experience with remote playback capabilities.